Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Welcome to our edition of video vlog today. Sorry po at wala tayong video vlog last month. Naka-holiday po kasi kami. Ang pinaka-relevant pong balita ngayon ay tumaas po ang prime rate. Konti lang po tinaas from 2.5 to 2.75%. Ibig po sabihin nito, ang mortgage payment po ninyo ay tataas by $13 for every $100,000 po na mortgage. Ang next meeting po ng Bank of Canada ay sa September 8. Tinaas po ng Bank of Canada ang interest by only 0.25% dahil sabi nila ng ating governor, number 1, nakaka-recover na po ang global economy pero hindi daw po masusustain ito. Number 2, medyo bumabagal po ang housing market dahil una, yung changes na in-implement ng government sa noong April. Second, yung HST. Third, ang interest rate po this year is higher than last year. Number 3, full capacity daw po ang ating economy not until end of December. Samantalang last time, sabi nila mga end of December 2011 po ito Sabi po nila dati, mga middle of the year next year, full capacity na tayo. Mukhang hindi pa rin po. Number 4, ang core inflation po natin, which ang target ng Bank of Canada na 2% or less, mukhang magtutuloy-tuloy hanggang December 2011. Ano pong ibig sabihin ng pagtaas po ng interest rate na ito? Iba-iba po kasi ang klase ng ating mga kliyente. Doon sa mga kliyente na may variable rate mortgage, especially yung mga prime minus, magiging stable ang ating interest rate for the next 12 to 18 months. Tataas man siya, konti-konti lang po, hindi po yung big jump. So, we're still okay. Next, yun naman pong mga kliyente na meron Prime Plus, I was able to get to some of you, but some of you hindi pa rin. You should contact me. We should restructure your mortgage para makuha po natin yung Prime Minus. Kasi iba na po ngayon. Dati po, puro Prime Plus. Ngayon, marami na po Prime Minus. So, deeper discount na po sa variable. Doon naman po sa mga kliyente na fortunate enough na nakakuha ng less than 4% sa inyong fixed rate mortgage, celebrate, be happy kasi po wala na pong ganyan rate sa market ngayon. Take advantage of your safe na interest rate. Finally po, ang mortgage rate ninyo ay 5% or more at gusto niyo makasave, I recommend na i-restructure natin ang anyong mortgage from what you have right now to a variable rate mortgage dahil hindi naman po tataas ang variable rate mortgage to 5% over the next 2 years. Example po, mayroon po kaming isang kliyente, ni-restructure namin yung kanilang mortgage. They're paying a rate of 5.75% or more. After namin nabayaran yung penalty, we were able to still save them $50,000. Tapos yung amortization po nila bumaba from 37 years to 32 years. So, kung ang inyong mortgage rate po is 5% or more, we really need to work on your mortgage, restructure it para makasave po kayo ng pera. Number 1, bababa po ang inyong monthly payment. Libo-libo pa ang inyong masasave in terms of interest. Number 3, yung amortization nyo po bababa. At least 5 years po ang masasave nyo. Imagine, 5 years less kayong magbabayad ng mortgage. That translates to thousands and thousands of dollars. Tawag na po kayo. Sana po nag-enjoy po kayo sa ating edition ng video vlog. If you have any questions or concerns, please give us a call. Thank you!